Roasted whole chicken with baked potatoes. This delicious roasted chicken will be a great choice for dinner or lunch. Let's make it. Bismillah. 1 medium-size whole chicken with skin, washed, cleaned, and dried. 2 teaspoon paprika, 2 teaspoon dried parsley, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1/2 teaspoon crushed black peppers, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoon sumac powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon cloves powder, 1/4 teaspoon crushed green cardamom, 3 tablespoon olive oil or melted butter, 2 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Note: you can always use fresh minced garlic or freshly chopped parsley. Adjust the spices according to your preference. Combine all spices, lemon juice, and olive oil. Rub it very well. Poke it with skewer or fork. Cover and let it sit for at least half hour or overnight in the refrigerator. Preheat oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Add to baking pan. Tie the chicken legs. This is how I do it. Take few potatoes, washed and dried, cut into your desired shapes. I'm keeping skin on. Add to same leftover marination and add it to baking pan. Bake for 35 to 45 minutes. Roasted chicken and potatoes are ready. Serve with salad, rice, or bread. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley, optional. Enjoy! I hope you have enjoyed watching the video. If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment below, and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.